EC450F has been a huge hit with enduro enthusiasts around the world. With some seriously usable torque down low, this big-bore steed is hands down the perfect bike for those who love to ride tall gears at low revs to cover ground at a rapid rate. Boasting agile handling characteristics usually found on smaller bikes, how our clever engineers created such a nimble machine for the size of the motor is simply mind-blowing. Graphics. All new graphics spice things up for 2025, still red, still durable, and still eye-catching. The distinctive design is applied using IML technology. This means they're applied within the bodywork so your Gasgas will stay looking super fresh for a long time, even if you ride in gnarly conditions week after week. LED light. By using LEDs to light the way, the headlight is almost 3 times brighter than a traditional bulb and is particularly effective when you're deep into dense woodland. Nikon handlebars are clamped into redesigned bar mounts with lock-on style, medium compound ODI grips fitted to create a comfy setup to suit all riders. There's also a new, stronger throttle housing that's more impact resistant for improved durability. Fuel tank. Super slim and made from transparent polythene. The fuel tank is a stronger support made from rubber that not only helps hold the tank firmly in place but protects the frame from wear as well. Engine. Power on tap. It might be light and compact, but the SOHC motor creates a monstrous amount of torque, which helps give the EC450F8 playful and lightweight feel despite it being a big bike. Engineered for performance, the cylinder and bridged box-type CP piston combine to create impressive torque and peak power. A wide ratio, 6-speed, enduro-specific transmission. Throttle body. The EC450F uses a 42mm Cayenne throttle body with its injectors positioned to ensure the most efficient flow of fuel mixture into the combustion chamber. Off-road control unit, OCU, simplifying everything electrical. The new off-road control unit replaces all the old-school relays and fuses. You'll find the OCU under the seat to keep it safe. The exhausts are designed and built to meet FIM sound regulations. Our 4-stroke header pipes wrap tightly around the motor to keep them out of harm's way and deliver the very best performance at the lowest possible way. DDS clutch. Using a compact design to deliver better action and improved durability, the EC450F uses a dampened diaphragm steel DDS clutch, together with a hydraulic BRACTEC system. Triple clamps. Forged aluminum triple clamps offer just the right amount of calculated flex. WP forks up front. WPXPLOR open cartridge forks take care of soaking up the bumps with ease. On top of the left fork leg you can dial in the compression, while over on the right fork leg you can fine-tune the rebound. The performance of the WPXACT rear shock is taken up a notch for 2025 thanks to the new, lower friction seals in the linkage, while a smaller diameter linkage bolt saves a little weight. Frame. This is exactly what you'll expect thanks to some seriously clever work by the engineers who designed the frame. This bike really does handle like a dream. Grippy frame guards just above the foot pegs provide a little extra grip for your boots for maximum control. The all-aluminium subframe is light, strong, and works as one with the new frame by helping to centralize mass and contributing massively to the bike's outstanding handling characteristics. Aluminum swing arm. A new, stronger chain slider improves durability and keeps the chain running smoother for longer. At the rear of the swing arm you'll find a chain guide with a rounded profile. Brakes. Fast is fun, but quite often in enduro, you'll need to slow down in a real hurry. This is precisely why all Gasgas enduro bikes are fitted with the latest high-quality BRACTEC brake calipers and controls. With a 260mm disc up front and a 220mm disc at the rear. Tires. One of the only components carried over from the outgoing generation of Gasgas enduro bikes are the Maxxis Max Enduro tires. Wheels. Built to take a beating, our wheels are ready to play rough. No matter how heavy the landing or how rough the track is, the silver, CNC machined hubs, lightweight spokes, and high-strength Excel rims deliver maximum strength and durability for complete peace of mind. Bodywork. All red, front to back. Just the way a Gasgas should be. Incredibly ergonomic with large contact surfaces to help you grip the bike with your legs. The smooth profile bodywork encourages riders to move around and ride with a perfect technique. There's also a super grippy seat cover to keep you locked in place, which works just as well when the rain starts falling and the going gets gnarly.